Nut plates eliminate loose lock washers and nuts for faster installation time and prevention of dropped hardware in hard-to-reach areas. Let's say we have to install some MS3120F16-26S wall mounting receptacles on top of a 7-foot 19-inch rack. In the Glenair connector Backshells and accessories catalog, on page Intro 8, we can see that the military specification for an MS3120 is 26,482. The Series 48 nut plate section starts on page 48-1 and shows that we should look on page 48-3 to find a nut plate that is compatible with our military specification. On page 48-3, let's find a full perimeter nut plate that is compatible with an MS3120F16-26S receptacle. A full perimeter nut plate that accommodates a shell size of 16 has an A-type dimension of 0.969 inches. In the Amphenol catalog on page 28, an MS3120F connector with a shell size of 16 has an R dimension of 0.969 inches, which matches our selected nut plate. The S dimension is 1.234 inches, which is a little smaller than the B dimension of the nut plate. The diameter of the circle is 1.07 inches, which is slightly larger than the diameter of the receptacle. The T diameter is 0.120 inches, which will fit a 440 UNJC 3B screw, which has a maximum thread diameter of 0.111 inches. The D dimension is 0.166 inches and is self-locking. You will find that the 3/4 and 1/4 nut plates with shell size 16 also have dimensions compatible with our example receptacle.